portable projector that promises big screen entertainment on the go. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who loves to present on the fly, the BYINTEK R20 could be a great option. But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's dive in and find out. The BYINTEK R20 packs a powerful punch in a compact package. With a native resolution of 1280x800 and support for up to 4K signals, it can project a screen up to a whopping 300 inches. That's enough to turn any room into a home theater or transform your presentations into immersive experiences. Don't let the portability fool you. The BYINTEK R20 boasts a brightness of 750 ANSI lumens and a contrast ratio of 15,000.01, delivering sharp, vivid images even in less than ideal lighting conditions. Whether you're watching a fast-paced action movie or showcasing intricate details in your presentation, the BYINTEK R20 ensures everything looks crisp and clear. Thanks to its built-in 15600 mAh battery, the BYINTEK R20 can keep you entertained for up to 4 hours on a single charge. That's perfect for movie marathons, camping trips, or presentations that run a bit longer. Plus, the LED light source boasts a lifespan of 50,000 hours, so you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. The BYINTEK R20 runs on Android 9.0, giving you access to a wide range of apps and streaming services. So, ditch the external streaming devices. With the BYINTEK R20, you can enjoy your favorite content directly from the projector. Plus, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow for seamless mirroring and casting from your smartphone or laptop. The BYINTEK R20 is designed with portability and convenience in mind. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to take anywhere. Plus, autofocus and keystone correction features ensure a perfectly proportioned image every time, no matter the angle or distance. If you're looking for a portable projector that delivers big screen entertainment without breaking the bank, the BYINTEK R20 is definitely worth considering. It offers a great balance of performance, features, and affordability. Like what you see, head down to the video description below where you'll find a link to the BYINTEK R20 on AliExpress. Thanks for watching this review of the BYINTEK R20. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech reviews.